I came into the business in around 1992. Back then, we didn't have any retail whatsoever. We were just doing shows. And then how we started the store was I was dealing with a couple of different retailers, and I just had a really bad experience, personal experiences. And my dad said, what do you want to do about it? You want to start your own business? And I said, sure, not really knowing what that meant. Music City Canada is a family business here in London. Been in business for over 40 years. We're a musical instrument experience, musical instrument store, but not just musical instruments. We have all kinds of different factors of our business: recording studio, concert production. If it's musical instrument related or if it's anything to do with the music industry, we either have it or we know someone who can get it. London Guitars came before Music City. It's our, vintage, used, boutique guitar store, and now we obviously carry a host of new lines as well. There's nothing like coming in and playing a piece, especially if it's a vintage piece. And it's such a cool experience to be able to come in and talk to our guys and find out what the story behind some of these pieces are. So because we have touring techs here, mom or dad can bring their son or daughter in and have Jeff Healy's guitar tech or Kevin from the Bare Naked Ladies guitar tech string their guitar for $10. Really cool experience. Can't happen anywhere else in the country. There's always going to be new people looking to play guitar, looking to play drums, looking to DJ. We love taking care of them and forming a relationship for many years to come.